In today's video, we'll break down 8 of the most promising investment sectors for the coming year. From renewable energy to space exploration, we'll explore the trends reshaping industries and how you can position yourself for success. Let's get started with renewable energy, one of the fastest-growing markets globally. Renewable energy, a global revolution. The fight against climate change is driving unprecedented investment in clean energy solutions. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydrogen are not just the future, they're the present. Over the past decade, the cost of solar and wind energy has dropped dramatically. Solar energy prices, for instance, have fallen by 80%, while global capacity for wind energy has more than tripled. Companies like NextEra Energy, Vestas Wind Systems, and First Solar are leading the charge in solar and wind power. Meanwhile, hydrogen innovators like Plug Power and Bloom Energy are redefining the energy landscape. For diversified exposure, consider ETFs like iShares Global Clean Energy ETF, which covers top performers in the sector. Governments worldwide are doubling down on green initiatives, including the U.S.'s Inflation Reduction Act, which earmarks billions for clean energy. As an investor, this is your chance to ride the renewable energy wave. Artificial intelligence, the AI boom. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming industries faster than ever before. By 2025, the AI market is projected to exceed $3 trillion, reshaping fields like healthcare, finance, and logistics. AI-powered systems are making businesses smarter and more efficient. For instance, generative AI tools like ChatGPT have revolutionized content creation, while autonomous vehicles rely on advanced machine learning models. NVIDIA, the leader in AI hardware, Microsoft with its massive investment in OpenAI, and Alphabet Google, which dominates AI research and deployment. ETFs like Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF offer diversified exposure to the biggest names in AI. The AI revolution isn't just a trend, it's the fourth industrial revolution. Investing now could mean being part of the most transformative era in human history. Healthcare, from telemedicine to gene editing. The healthcare industry is on the cusp of a golden age, driven by advancements in personalized medicine, telehealth, and biotechnology. Telemedicine surged during the pandemic and continues to expand, growing at an estimated 25% annually. Simultaneously, gene editing tools like CRISPR are unlocking treatments for rare diseases, making previously incurable conditions manageable. Look at companies like CRISPR Therapeutics and Intuitive Surgical, pioneers in cutting-edge healthcare technologies. ETFs, such as ARC Genomic Revolution ETF, offer exposure to this fast-evolving sector. Healthcare innovation is a safe bet for investors looking for both stability and growth. Electric vehicles, the road ahead. The EV market is no longer a niche, it's mainstream. Global sales of electric vehicles are expected to triple by 2030, fueled by consumer demand and regulatory incentives. Tesla remains a dominant force, but companies like Rivian and BYD are gaining ground. Traditional automakers such as Ford and GM are also electrifying their fleets to stay competitive. Beyond vehicles, the growth of EV charging stations presents a massive investment opportunity. Companies like ChargePoint and Blink Charging are expanding charging networks globally. Emerging markets, new economic powerhouses. Emerging markets in Asia, Africa, and Latin America are becoming global economic leaders. With rising internet penetration and growing middle-class populations, these regions are poised for explosive growth. Countries like India and Brazil are leading the way in e-commerce, fintech, and renewable energy adoption. Companies to watch: Alibaba, Mercado Libre, and African fintech startups like Flutterwave are driving innovation in these regions. Fintech, reinventing finance. The financial technology sector is reshaping how we manage money with advancements in digital payments, lending, and decentralized finance. Mobile payments are skyrocketing, with companies like PayPal and Block Square taking the lead. Meanwhile, DeFi platforms are revolutionizing lending and borrowing. Green technologies in construction and infrastructure. Sustainable construction is gaining momentum as governments and corporations seek ways to reduce environmental footprints. Green technologies, eco-friendly materials, and advanced building techniques are transforming how infrastructure projects are conceived and executed. Construction is one of the largest contributors to global carbon emissions, accounting for nearly 40% of emissions annually. To combat this, green technologies such as carbon-neutral cement and energy-efficient designs are being adopted. For example, carbon cure technologies uses recycled CO2 in concrete production, reducing emissions without compromising quality. Governments are also investing heavily in smart city projects, integrated systems that use IoT technology to enhance energy efficiency. Major urban hubs like Singapore and Dubai have already implemented smart infrastructure to optimize energy use and minimize waste. Companies like Caterpillar, Johnson Controls, and ABB Limited are leading the push towards sustainable construction. Additionally, ETFs, such as iShares US Infrastructure ETF, offer diversified exposure to this growing sector. Green construction is no longer a niche. It's an essential part of global development strategies. With trillions of dollars in infrastructure spending on the horizon, this is a sector ripe for long-term investments. Space exploration and satellite technologies, the new frontier. The space industry is no longer reserved for government agencies. It's a booming commercial market with applications in satellite technology, space tourism, and even asteroid mining. Advances in space exploration are unlocking new opportunities for communication, navigation, and data collection. For instance, low Earth orbit satellites are revolutionizing global internet connectivity, with companies like SpaceX and OneWeb leading the charge. Space tourism, spearheaded by Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin, is no longer science fiction. While still in its early stages, this market is expected to grow as costs decline. Additionally, asteroid mining could provide access to rare minerals critical for technology manufacturing. Key investments. Public companies like Maxar Technologies focus on satellite imaging and geospatial data. ETFs like ARC Space Exploration ETF offer exposure to a range of space-focused ventures. Space exploration is quickly transitioning from a high-cost scientific endeavor to a profitable commercial industry, making it an exciting frontier for investors. Which of these industries are you most excited about? Share your thoughts and comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of investing.